In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Otter AI. Otter AI is a fantastic tool that helps with transcriptions, note-taking, and generating insights from meetings and conversations, perfect for anyone needing an organized approach to handling audio files. So, let's dive right into the step-by-step guide to getting your Otter AI account up and running. First, let's hit the web and search for Otter AI using your preferred search engine. Once you've done a quick search, look for the link that mentions Otter Meeting Agent, AI Note Taker, Transcription Insights. Click on that link, and it'll take you directly to Otter AI's homepage. Upon landing on the homepage, you're going to notice a button that says Start for Free. Go ahead and click on that. From there, you'll be directed to another page where you'll see Get Started. This initiates your sign-up process, so just click on that button. Now it's time to decide how you'd like to sign up. There are several options, but for this tutorial, we'll choose to continue with Google. It's a streamlined way to use your existing Google account to set up Otter AI, making the process both quick and secure. After this, you'll come across an agreement page. Simply click Agree and Next to move forward. This is just a standard agreement necessary for using Otter AI services. Following this, the setup flow will direct you to click Next on a couple more occasions. These steps are designed to collect some basic workspace information and allow Otter to personalize your experience. You'll soon encounter a page asking about personalization options. Feel free to click Skip Personalization if you prefer not to provide those details. This option is there to save time, especially if you're just here for general use. Next up, Otter will likely offer you various plans. You might find a trial of a more featured plan, but if you're just starting, click on I prefer the basic plan to select the free plan. This is a great way to explore Otter AI without immediately committing to any payments. Congratulations, you're nearly at the finish line. Click on Continue to Otter to wrap things up. Otter AI might ask for additional information like your role or field of work. In this instance, select options like Other, Research, and Individual Contributor. Don't worry too much about these selections. They're just for survey purposes to help Otter better tailor its services. Finally, click on Done to complete your setup, and that's all there is to it. Now you're ready to start using Otter AI for all your transcription and note-taking needs. Do take a moment to explore its features and settings to make full use of this amazing tool. Enjoy the seamless experience Otter brings to organizing and managing your digital notes.